As I told you, this is a challenging case for a patient as well as for the treating doctor, because there is no proper cure for this condition. Because cure means, what I put it this way, the patient cannot stop the medicines and be off the disease on a lifelong basis. This has to be monitored every time periodically, and the patient also has to be taking periodical medications. So initially, depending on the type of disease, and the staging of the disease, the treatment modalities changes. So predominantly we have two types of inflammatory bowel disease: Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis. So there's a slight variation in the treatment aspect, but predominantly first foremost is we have aminosalicylates. In that, the methylamine is one of the main ingredient which we can give for such conditions. Starting with a small dose, we can step up, increasing the dose over a period of time. This is the baseline medicine what we give in such conditions. The next step of medicine is, if the patient is not responding, then we'll have to go for in a severe case, sometimes a steroid administration has to be given. And the next level of medicines, we have immunosuppressants, and later subsequent is the biologicals. All these things are depending on the stage of the disease. If the patient is not responding to the earlier aminosalicylates or steroid, then we'll have to go for the biological or immunosuppressants.